Hafa peeps. You want to see also part of my morning? Does anybody else do this? This is what I do. I watch Ray, I watch Sabrina, and Chris, and Patty all at once. I watch my morning fix on the island, the happenings. Well, the kitty cats are being fed over there. They're waiting for their food. I will watch these guys. What does Patty say? And then Sabrina and Chris probably saying the news. And then Ray and Mana Silva. Good morning, peeps.
I'm just kidding. I'm totally kidding.
So that is what I do. All right, that's my morning. Also part of, before I do my exercise and wait impatiently for my crew. All right, so it gets really, I'm sure it's like this at home for you guys somewhere on Guam or somewhere in the mainland, just listening to everyone. All right, have a great Friday. Stay safe and keep up with the news. All right, peeps. Hafa Guam, Hafa peeps. Adios.